If you want to insert a memory card or a microSD card into Motorola Moto G56, then first of all we need to prepare the SIM eject tool, and then on the left side over here you should be able to find the SIM tray where we can install our microSD card. Put the eject tool into this hole over here, and then use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray pop out, just slightly. Once it sticks out just a little bit, we need to use our fingernails in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. There we go. And now over here we can insert our memory card. So it looks like this. Just place it from the top. There we go. It goes in really easily. However, if you have a little bit of sticky fingers, just make sure that it doesn't come out. Now the slot might be quite loose, so be careful to not drop the memory card from the SIM tray. And this is the side that we need to insert back into the phone, so I'm gonna just lift the phone and we're gonna insert the SIM tray back into the phone. And push it with your finger like this and make sure that it doesn't stick out. I mean the SIM tray doesn't stick out at all. There we go, it is fully in now. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.